Okay, quick test. No thinking.
Say out loud right now, I'm 27 years old, I live in London, and yesterday I went to the cinema.
Most of you just said, I have 27 years, I live London since 2020, and yesterday I go cinema.
Exactly. That's why episode 16 exists.
Welcome to the longest, funniest, most life-saving beginner mistakes episode ever. Hello, 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 beautiful people all over the world. This is Lily.
And this is Ben. Massive hugs from rainy London.
Episode 16 already. Time flies when we're fixing English together.
Today, only 2 voices, just us, laughing at 30 classic beginner mistakes, fixing them slowly, repeating everything 5 times, and doing the silliest role plays you've ever heard.
Let's start the rescue mission. Mistake number 1. I have 25 years.
Wrong. You're not a bottle of wine.
Correct. I'm 25, or I'm 25 years old.
Repeat after us 5 times slowly.
I'm 25. I'm 25. I'm 25. I'm 25. I'm 25.
Faster. I'm 32. I'm 19. I'm 41. I'm 28. I'm 17.
Role play. Bad Ben meets Good Ben.
Hello, I have 45 years and my back pain.
Hi, I'm 45 and my back hurts.
Doctors say I have too many years.
Doctor says, welcome to adult life.
Mistake number 2. My name is Bond.
Correct. My name is James Bond, or I'm James.
Repeat 5 times.
My name is Anna. My name is Tom. My name is Sophia. My name is Lucas. My name is Maria.
Roleplay, Bad Ben introduces himself.
My name Ben.
Hi, my name is Ben Thompson. Nice to meet you.
My name Ben.
Please don't do that at job interviews.
Mistake number 3. Yesterday I go, last week I see.
Correct. Yesterday I went. Last week I saw.
Common verbs. Repeat slowly.
Go, went, see, saw, buy, bought, eat, ate, drink, drank, come, came, have, had, do, did, take, took.
5 times.
Yesterday I went to the park. 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 Yesterday I went to the park.
Role play. Bad Ben tells a story.
Yesterday I go cinema. Last week I see friends. Tomorrow I will go beach.
Yesterday I went to the cinema. Last week I saw friends. Tomorrow I'll go to the beach.
See the difference? One sounds like a time traveler, one sounds normal.
Mistake number 4. I am student. I am engineer.
Correct. I'm a student. I'm an engineer.
Repeat 5 times. I'm a teacher. I'm an artist. I'm a driver. I'm an actor. I'm a nurse.
Role play. Bad Ben at job interview.
Hello, I am manager with 10 years experience.
Hello, I'm a manager with 10 years of experience.
I am agree with everything.
I agree with everything. Wait, no, don't say that either. Mistake number 6. I can to swim. I must to go.
Correct. I can swim. I must go. Repeat 5 times. I can speak English. I must wake up early. I should exercise. I can help you. I must finish homework.
Role play. Bad Ben at the swimming pool.
Look, I can swim very good.
Watch, I can swim really well.
I can fly too.
Please stay in the water. Mistake number 7. I am boring. The film is interesting me.
Correct. I'm bored. The film is boring.
5 times.
I'm bored. The movie is boring. I'm tired. The work is tiring. I'm excited. The news is exciting.
Role play. Bad Ben at cinema.
Baby, you are very boring tonight.
This movie is so boring. Want to leave?
I am boring too.
No comment. Mistake number 8. I live in London since 2020.
Correct. I've lived in London since 2020.
5 times.
I've lived here since January. I've known her for 2 years. I've studied English for 6 months. I've had this phone since last year. I've been happy since this podcast started.
Role play. Bad Ben time traveling.
I live here since dinosaur time.
I've lived here since 2018.
I am immortal.
Okay, vampire, calm down.
Mistake number 9. I am agree. I am enjoy.
Correct. I agree. I enjoy. I like.
5 times. I agree with you. I enjoy music. I like chocolate. I hate rain. I love my family.
Role play. Bad Ben food debate.
I am like chocolate ice cream.
I like chocolate ice cream.
I am like you too.
Smooth. Very smooth.
Mistake number 10. My favorite color is blue color.
Correct. My favorite color is blue.
5 times. My favorite animal is dog. My favorite season is summer. My favorite movie is comedy. My favorite drink is coffee. My favorite day is Saturday.
And we keep going all the way to mistake 30 with the same pattern. Clear explanation, 5 slow repetitions, and the silliest 2-voice role play between just us.
Final 10 minutes, the legendary disaster first date roleplay. Only Lily and Ben voices.
Hello, beautiful girl. My name Ben. I have 30 years. I am engineer. I live London since 10 years. Yesterday, I see you and I fall in love. You very beautiful. I am agree. Can to buy you coffee? She don't answer, but I think she don't say no. My favorite color is you eyes color. Let's go my home now. I very like you.
Hi, I'm Ben. I noticed you here yesterday and thought you had the kindest smile. I'm 30, I've been living in London for 10 years, and I'm an engineer. Would you like to get a coffee together sometime?
Yes, please. Here's my number.
Same guy, same cafe, different English, different result.
Homework time.
1. Record the full disaster first date. Bad, then good.
2. Write your funniest beginner mistake in the comments.
3. Tomorrow catch one mistake and fix it out loud with a smile.
Like this episode if you feel braver now.
Subscribe, bell on, share with friends.
Bye! You are doing amazingly. We love you so much.